Hello, thanks for dropping in. Just looking through some questions I've had on YouTube, and one of them is, can you take a 3.5-inch drive out of an Amiga 500 and put it in a 1581? And from what I know, and what I answered on here, the answer is yes, they are interchangeable. I seem to remember that long ago, when Commodore was going out of business, such that there was a fellow, his name escapes me at this moment, but I know him, who had 1581 kits and things, and indeed the drives that were part of that were from the Amiga 500, and you could put them in. So yes, as far as I know, they are completely interchangeable, completely dandy, and completely fine. So, if your 1581 has stopped working, and you have a 500 you're not using around, you can always swap it back and forth. I don't know about the external drives, but the internal, the one inside the 500, should be dandy. Just dandy, dandy, dandy. So, just keep that in mind. The person who asked me, well, it says here, Explorer 531. He says, hello, friend, can I use Amiga 500 disk drive in the 1581 CBM mainboard because my old 1581 disk drive no longer is workable? Thanks. Oh, there's 3 replies. Oh, yes. Well, I said, yeah, you can do that. He also thanked me for replying, and keep in mind on YouTube, I try and reply to everything. If I don't reply, it means I didn't see your message. So I'm not ignoring you. I go through, as I said many times, YouTube will tell me when someone sends a new comment, but they don't tell me when somebody sends a reply to a comment or something. So I go looking, but I might miss something. So if you send a message and you don't get a reply, I didn't see it. Send it again on another video. Even make reference to the previous question. I'll go looking. Anyway, thanks, and don't forget, of course, that the World of Commodore 2024 is coming. More details to follow soon, as soon as I know what they are. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.